Good evening, friends. In this particular video presentation of mine on Weka, I welcome each one of you first of all, and thank you for being there to understand and to see how the things are working in Weka software. Here you will see that first of all, I have explained to you how to install and launch Weka software, and once you have taken care of that, it will be seen that the icon, like for example, for me as I keep working on it, so it is present on my desktop, so you can also do it very easily. And you can see the moment you double click it, you will be seeing that Wekato environment for knowledge analysis version 3.8.5 and 1999 to 2020 by the University of this one. So once you click on that, you will see that after some time you can you are checking out with Weka GUI chooser. Now here you will see again it gives you the program visualization tools help, and we will see if we are able to use these new part also later on. However, right now here once you see, you can see the version, the years, the university name, and where it is located. Like for example, the city is Hamilton in New Zealand. Now you will have to understand that yes, it looks so simple, yet it is so powerful that machine learning for data mining can be easily taken care of through this particular software. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Explorer so that I can understand as to what exactly are the steps for loading the data for myself. So here they have got this kind of a thing that Weka is a native bird of New Zealand also. Now that is something giving importance to your own animals, and I see this thing taking place both in Australia as well as New Zealand. Now that's a very nice gesture towards their own environment, and I think it's a part of their social policies also towards their own communities. Now once you click on Explorer, okay, you will be taken care to this particular interface wherein just below the pre-process button you can see open file. Now you see what happens is that this takes you to the place where the directory is there wherein you have saved the executive file for Weka in your own system. Now because once you go there, I'll be showcasing to you right now. If you can just give me a moment, you will see there are other ways also to go ahead and import the data. For example, by opening files, if it is saved in your own desktop or the laptop, open URL from any of the website. There's so many repositories which we will see how to carry forward and how to work with them also. Open the database if there is some kind of a database available, how to retrieve the data from there. And it's not just this thing, you can generate the data also. Now that I'm going to show it to you as a separate video presentation, not as of now. Here we will just click on the open file and look at the directory where the Weka folder is available. Since it's my desktop, I know where it is located, so I would go ahead and check it out whether it is present in new volume data. And yes, there you can see Weka 3.8.5 wherein you have got change logs data doc JRE 23.ARFF. Now however, I'm not worried about any of these things, I'm more concerned about the data. So here you can see that all of them are in the form of ARFF format only. The files are in that format, and if I count, there are exactly 25 data sets which has been given to you through the university itself to work upon and to understand how the basic functionings are taking place. When I say functioning, as to what are the various ways in which you can go ahead and perform the analysis to understand something. Otherwise you can work up with your own data, and we will see. Now let me show it to you that yes, if you are planning to work, understand or train yourself, these are the ones, and I have chosen airline as the data set and click on open. As simple as that, and there we go. So you can see number one, you can have a look here current relationship, open file, forget about a filter right now. Current relation is what? It is basically for the airline passenger. Instances are 144, attributes are 2, sum of weights is 144. Okay, just below this one, current relation, we have got the attributes, all, none, invert, pattern. We will see the importance of these attributes later on. However, for me, the interest pointing is name of the variables in my own data sets. So you see, I don't have to work hard so much. So I have got passenger numbers and date on one side. On the other side, if you are looking for the selected attribute, you can see name, passenger numbers, type, it's giving to you, it's numeric, missing, it is 0%, distinct is 118, unique is 93, that is 65% of the total data. Then statistics, they have already started giving to you. So again, you can just copy paste minimum, maximum, mean, and then standard deviation values also have been given. The best part is you don't have to navigate to a different thing, though we have got the other ways also of taking care. It gives you for each and every data variable that is present, they go ahead and showcase to you either the histogram or the bar graph. And then if you are not interested, just click on this and you can see the other data sets also which are available, and you can understand it. For example, here they will be showcasing to you that yes, it's not just the date, you have got the passenger numbers also side by side. Now if you have completed and satisfied with this, then you can carry forward with the visualize all also side by side. Now if you click on this, you will see that yes, all the attributes which are there, now they call it as attributes instead of variables. You can use either of the words. Now once you are taking care of that, you can see that yes, all the things which are available for the various, now for example for date, this is the visualization. If you click on passenger numbers, it's a different visualization altogether. Similarly with the statistics, maximum, minimum, mean, STD we have taken. And if you are interested to find out, rather than just going individually, like class passenger, you can see I have got the histogram. You can simply click on visualize all, and wherever whatever the number of variables are there, all the visualizations are available. You can do the comparisons. You can it's totally up to you how well you would like to go ahead with your visualization stories altogether. So this is again something which I really liked it, and it helps you out more and more. Now have a look at it. I'll show you how to add colors also into it, maybe in future videos of mine. However, right now let us satisfy that yes, this is what we have got and we can learn. Similarly, let me carry forward with another data file that is on breast cancer, and here the moment you select it, there we go, bingo, all the attributes, instances are 286, age, menopause, then tumor size, this is inverted nodes, node caps, then this is DEG, degrees of alignment, breast quads, then irradiation class is also available. Now here they have told you, if you come to the selected attributes, it's age, and type is nominal, and here they have given you the labels also and how many distinct ones are there, that is also count, weight is also available. Similarly, you can see that yes, class for the nominal one, already the figures have come in out here and they are showcasing to you in two different bright colors, blue and the copper sulfate. No, it's not copper sulfate, it's a different kind of shade of a blue altogether. So if you want, you can look and understand, copy paste the whole thing, and you can import it and you can discuss in your own paper or research work. You can carry forward with that. Then comes with the visualization. Here all the variables which you have got, you can select, you can individually copy paste if you want each and one of them they have got. And this is something which I really like in this particular software. Or you can click on visualize all and you can see it gives you the details. Now this is what I say is you can create your own digital stories from these graphs. Now, you see, what else you want when the colors are there, it indicates so much. You can write a lot about them, how to interpret it with respect to the colors and everything. We will take it up in a separate one. Right now, I want you to see, what are the colors, what are the visualizations, and what is the importance of it in our data mining part only before I can go ahead with the complicated concepts of it. Now, similarly, you can go ahead with contact lenses, see the colors, how they have kept the variable names, age, spectacle, prescription, astigmatism, then tier, production rate, they do it, then contact lenses. Then similarly here you have got age, nominal, distinct are 3. Distinct means how many categories you have got under that particular name of the attribute and what is the weight and the count. And for each one of them they have used a different color, number 1, number 2, this thing, or you can click on visualize all and you can go ahead. So similarly you select different data sets that are there, right? For example, Reuters contest. So here only 2 text. Now for text, obviously it is neither, see, it gives you, it's neither numerical or string, so it does not show it to you numeric, not normal, okay, nominal, sorry. So here you can click and you can have a look at it. Again, go ahead with whether numeric and see what you are getting it, nominal or supermarket. Let's see. I think this is the data set which has got the maximum number of variables. If I'm not wrong, it should be 217. Let me scroll down and see. Yes, 217 in total. Okay, 216. So you can click on this one also. These are all nominal. Missing is 3580 and it is 77%, and all the data variables are being taken care out here. Individually, if you want to select, and you can copy paste and you can write whatever digital story it's going to coming to you. You can go ahead and you can take care. Otherwise, click on visualize all. And I'm clicking on it just to see whether all 217 will be visible or is it something else it will be giving to me. So there we go. It's 217, so it will take some time for us. And let's see how well it will be. There we go. So it's up to your own data set. Please go ahead and check into it with your data set and you can talk a lot about it. Now I know there is I don't know in your cases, but in my case, yes, I love these kind of things, and writing literally helps me to understand the data more and more. So similarly, you can select as many data sets, CPU with vendor. Click on this and maybe you can carry ahead and find it out. Reuters grain by training test. So again, you have got test is not there, class. Here we can take care of it. Similarly, go for iris. Iris is a very popular data set which is mostly used in the machine learning part. And here you can see sepal length. You can some of them are being shown in colors, others are not. So this is a numeric. So again, histogram would be there. So if you want, you can select each one of them, carry forward, otherwise visualize. There we go. So we have got for all of them together. So you will understood right now that in this particular video presentation, I have showcased to you how to import the data sets which have been given to us by the software itself. Number 1, and you can go ahead and you can start working them directly, and these data sets are called as the standard data set. If you go to IBM SPSS, there they will be calling it as samples. Here they call it as the standard data set. So if you are working with the Weka Explorer, try to understand that standard data sets are the ones which have been given to us by the university itself to work upon. So this is how the work is all about. So I think this is a wonderful way to understand and to learn how to import it. Let me come back with the other video presentation of mine, wherein I'll be showcasing to you how to go ahead with another way of getting the data sets which are not in the form of ARFF and how to deal with them also. Till then, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.